So in this video, we'll be talking about the stop or our end program button and the commands that are launched whenever you press this button right here. So this is in a way a continuation of our manual on the start and stop setup, the link to which will appear on the bottom of the screen right here. But this is mostly focusing on what happens when you try to stop the application. And this is important because a lot of the time, when you are stopping the application, you may have some sort of an unintended effect. For example, you may have some sort of an output that is being toggled on and off, etc. And you would like to diagnose what actually happens when you are trying to stop the program. And effectively, what happens when you press the stop button, so let's try and run this. We start the program, it begins running, then we press the button once, and the program stops. And what happens is the M02 hardware PLC is being launched right here. So this is our stop program PLC effectively. Let's say we run it again, we stop it, and now we press it the second time. So notice there's a distinct second press. So the first time I press the button, the M02 is being run, and the second time, the off procedure is launched. So for one click, it's M02. For two clicks, it's M02 and then off. And we can note that very easily. So for example, let's say I'm adding some sort of a quick indicator to my off procedure. So let's say I'd like to toggle an output on and off. Let's say output number 20. So I have it set to be on. Let's say I would like to port clear output 20. And again, this is just an example. We save, build, and send, and we reflash. And after that's completed, let's see what happens again. So we're running the program. Output 20 is now on. We press the stop button once. So our M02 process has been launched, but output 20 is still on because, again, this port clear command is in the off procedure. And then we press the off button again. And now we should see that the output 20 has been disabled. So this is important in cases where we're trying to locate what exactly is happening when the outputs, for example, are coming on and off whenever you're stopping the application. Another important thing to note is that whenever you stop your G-code using the stop button right here, etc., you also have a software PLC in addition to the two hardware PLCs that I've already mentioned. And this software PLC is the _handler G-code stop right here. So in my case, this handler is currently empty. Let's say I add some sort of a quick command. Let's say port set 21. So this should turn on output number 21 every time we stop our G-code. Save all and build. So now let's try this again. We run it. 21 is off. We stop it. 21 is now on. So to summarize, what you have whenever you're pressing the stop button is these three PLCs, two hardware PLCs and one software PLC. For one click, you have M02. For two clicks, you have M02 and off. And also, whenever you're stopping the application, the software PLC handler is running the handler G-code stop command. Hope that helps. Please visit our documentation at docs.bbautomation.com for more information on myCNC software.